Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change TikTok shop address. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in TikTok shop, you have three options from here. You can choose the seller center, the streamer desktop, and the partner desktop. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. You can log in using your TikTok account or your Google account, or just click on the sign up option. Now, you can sign in again with your Google, your TikTok, and after that, you're good to go. Now, once you are here, changing your TikTok shop address can be necessary for a lot of reasons because number one, if your business moves to a new physical location, updating your TikTok shop address ensures that customers can find accurate information about where to locate your products or services. Say, for example, when your business expands and opens new branches or stores in different locations, updating your TikTok shop address helps potential customers find the nearest location to them, improving accessibility and convenience. Now, when you are in the affiliate center mode, you might need to go to the seller option here. Just click on this one at the bottom left part of your dashboard. Click on it. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is now from here, just go to the My Account option and click on the account settings. And from here, all you have to do is click on the warehouse settings. Now, the interface might be different from what you're using, especially if you're using your mobile device. Click on it. Now, once you are here, you have the option to click on edit because this is going to be the warehouse name, code, and this is the default warehouse, right? And click on action and click on edit. Now, all you have to do is just fill in as much as information that you wanted right here. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save, okay? Now, if you are encountering any problems changing your address here on TikTok shop, you see in the bottom right corner on the chat tab, click on it. And from here, all you have to do is click on chatbot. Click on assistant, and from here you would be able to ask the customer service about if they can help you with changing your TikTok shop address. Okay, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.